There are only three people you need in your life if you're going to succeed, like three different types of people you need. Now, you with these three people, you can literally take over the world. Now, these three people are people that if you don't have them in your life, or if you already have them in your life and you thought that they were there for something bad, you need to rethink it at the end of the day. Now, the first kind of person you need in your life is somebody who is a challenger, somebody who gives you competition. But most times, some people have it at different categories. Some people are psychopaths over that thing. But at some point, we all do things to impress people. So you need somebody who is going to challenge you, somebody who is going to be a competition to you. That's the same reason why Messi and Ronaldo did so well in their careers, because there was always that steady competition between them. In fact, no player can come close to Messi and Ronaldo right now, just simply because of these fierce competitions they had between them. Because when you have a competition, it pushes you out of your comfort zone. It makes you see more reason to work hard. It gives you a better benchmark for you to overcome at the end of the day. Now, the second kind of person you need in your life, if you really want to go very far, is somebody who is a mentor. Now, this is somebody who has been where you want to be. This is somebody who has done the things that you want to do. And this is somebody who can give you a proven roadmap to reach the places you want to reach. For most of my students, they see me as their mentor because most of them have financial goals that I have already broken. And I have, for instance, in CPA marketing, I have a proven blueprint as to exactly what they need to do in order for them to get to these levels that I've gotten to and I have already passed. So most times, they are working with the results that I've gotten in the past. I'm already getting to very, very high levels that they might not be able to reach, but they can use the information I've already done in the past to get to really amazing levels. So you need a mentor, whether you come from a rich family, whether you come from an average background, or wherever you think that you might come from. I'm telling you for a fact, 100%, you need a mentor. A mentor is going to totally change your life. It's going to give you advice. And just one thing, right? Personally, I really do not keep friends that are at my age range, because 90% of the time, there's really nothing new that they can tell me, because I see myself as somebody who is really super. So what I simply do is I try to make friends who are older. And your mentor doesn't simply have to be that particular person who is teaching you how to make money online and all that. You can have different mentors. There are mentors who I have that I have never seen before in my life. And I'm never going to see them because most of them are dead. Anybody you can learn from can literally be your mentor. Anybody you can take practical advice from can be your mentor. Your mentor can even be people that are younger than you, because somebody younger than you can know better than you. Somebody younger than you can achieve more than you. So you don't have to call the person your mentor before you acknowledge them in your memory that this person has the ability to mentor me. This person has the ability to help me move forward to a bigger level. So I hope you've been able to understand that now. Now, the last kind of person you need in your life is somebody who is a supporter. At some point, especially for people who are just newbies, some people who are just starting out their careers in entrepreneurship, you have a lot of emotional issues. You do not want negative energy around you by any means, because entrepreneurship is harder than a typical 9 to 5. A typical 9 to 5, they are like things that you're laid out to do. Okay, do this, do that, do this, do that. Very simple and easy. You know exactly what to do. But you can just be here today now and something happens and Stripe just takes away your payment processor and there's no way customers can give you money anymore. You have to find the solution to that. You can just be doing something and a customer just goes to drop a bad review on social media. It starts to go viral and it looks like your business is turning up and down. All these things can mess up with your mental faculty. So it's always super important to have supporters around you. And yes, your supporters do not have to be your family members. They do not even have to be your friends. You just have to be that particular person that you can look up to. In fact, if you're lucky enough, your mentor can be your supporter. That's the funny thing. And if you're extra lucky, your competition or your challenger can also be your supporter. So at the end of the day, you have to think about it and say, okay, who is in support of me? And remember, in most of my videos, I usually tell you guys about you not telling people your plans, right? Part of people you should be able to tell your plans that people that are your supporters, because you know you're always going to get positive feedback from them, which always just helps you emotionally. But at the end of the day, emotions is not something you should play with in the business and all that. And for a matter of fact, it's really going to change your life for a fact. So the challenger, your supporter, and your mentor, those are the three guys that you need in order for you to succeed. Once you have these three people, I'm telling you, your life is going to change. So have you had an experience? Then let me know in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.